Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem. So why can I see repost on TikTok? So if you cannot see the repost button on your FYP on TikTok, for example, this one, when you click on a share button, there will be this repost options. But if you cannot see the repost button, how you can fix that? So the repost button might not be showing if the creator of the video, for example this creators right here, is not turning on their repost option. So you can also turn off your repost on your profile if you want to, and it might be because of that, or maybe your TikTok has a problem. So you can solve that problem by following the steps. So in here you can just go back to your home screen, and then you can click on the TikTok app, long press on it, and then go to the app info. So in here you need to go to the storage and cache. Try to clear the cache of the TikTok app. So let's click on clear cache. After that, if it's still not working and the repost is still not showing, you can try to clear the storage, or you can also go to the Play Store on your phone and see if your TikTok is already on the latest version. If not, you need to update the app first. So I hope that last problem is solving your problem. If it's still not, you can try to uninstall the app first and then reinstall it again on the Play Store. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.